Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Digis Site, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to become a Lyft driver. So in order to do that, you have to open your web browser and then simply search for Lyft driver, then tap on the official website of Lyft. All you have to do is enter in your phone number. Okay, here we go. And then simply tap on next at the bottom. After this, you will be led to this page. You have to fill in your personal details in order to become a Lyft driver. Now, let's enter your first name and last name, then enter your email address. Here we go. Now, simply tap on the city that you'll be driving in. So this is the city that I'm going to choose. If you wish to, you can also add a promo or referral code, but this is optional. After this, tap on submit. Now choose an email address in order to continue further. After this, all you have to do is tap on the option of submit, and then you will successfully be able to apply for Lyft driver. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to become a Lyft driver as well. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.